Good morning, class 12 commerce students. Welcome to class commerce accountancy. The chapter which is in progress is issue of debenture. In that we have done theory, meaning of debentures, features and types. Then we did how to issue debenture at par. Then how to issue debenture at premium. And today we are going to attempt the topic issue of debentures other than cash. It means we are issuing debenture in the market, but for those debentures we won't be able to get cash. हमें बदले में cash नहीं मिलेगा. The same topic we did in issue of shares also. Let us do illustration number 10. The name of the sum is R Limited. R Limited purchased assets of rupees 5,60,000 and creditor of rupees 80,000 from S Limited. R is purchasing from whom? From S. S is vendor. He is purchaser. And then R Limited is issuing 8% debenture of 20 each at a premium of 20% for purchase consideration. PC stands for purchase consideration. Very simple sums. What we are purchasing? Assets. So sundry assets account debit. Sundry assets account debit. We are purchasing liabilities also. Liabilities are to be credited to two creditor accounts. And from whom are we purchasing? S Limited, to two S Limited accounts. What is the price of assets we are purchasing? 5,60,000 we are purchasing. What is the amount of liability or creditor? 80,000. Assets are always debited, liabilities are always credited to vendor. Here the name of the vendor is given. From whom are we purchasing? That is S. If name of the vendor is not given, then we will use the word to vendor. Assets 560, liabilities 80. So how much amount we have to give to him? 4,80,000. Being assets and liability purchase of S Limited. Narration will be being assets and liability purchase of S Limited. Now we are making the account clear of S Limited. Now S Limited is receiver. Here S Limited was our creditor. Now we are giving him debentures. Our liability will be over. That's why S Limited account debit. 2. What are we giving? We are giving 8% debenture to 8% debentures account. And these debentures are given at premium, 20% premium. So to security premium. Whatever amount you have credited, same will be debited over here, 4,80,000. Now 20% premium. For that we have to do working. We have to do working number of debentures. How much amount to be paid, dear friends? 4,80,000. What is the value of one debenture? 20 rupees each. What is the amount of premium? 20%. 20 into 20. It comes 4 rupees. It means value of one debenture is 24. So divide by 24. This working is compulsory. It is part of sum. 24 to za. So how many debentures are we giving, sir? 20,000 debentures. So 20,000 debentures into 20, it comes 4 lakh. And 20,000 debenture into 4 rupees premium, it comes 80,000. In this way, our second entry will be over. The narration is being 20,000 debentures issued at a premium of 20% for purchase consideration. So simple sum. Two entries are to be passed, sir. Purchase of assets and making the payment through debentures. Let us take one more sum, dears. Illustration number 11 as per my book. There may be different in your book. The name of the sum is Prakash Limited. Prakash Limited purchased assets of rupees 2,20,000 and creditor liabilities of rupees 40,000 from whom? From Ajay Limited. So let us pass the entry, sir. Sundry assets account debit to creditors. From whom are we purchasing? Ajay. To Ajay Limited. What is the amount of assets? 2,20,000. What is the amount of liability? 40,000. It means how much amount to be paid now? 180. What did I did in the previous sum also? But here I am not going to show 180 because Here a separate line is given for a purchase consideration of 1,92,000, यानी 2,20,000 की एसेट्स, 40,000 की लायबिलिटी हमें देने थे 1,80,000, लेकिन हमारा जो एग्रीमेंट हुआ है 1,92,000 का हुआ है. The Ajay Limited is saying that I will take 1,92,000 from you. So whatever amount is given in purchase consideration, we have to credit the same. In this sum, purchase consideration was not given separately. Purchase consideration here means purchase price. At what price party is ready to sell his assets to us. But in this sum, purchase consideration, that is purchase price, is given separately. That's why I have credited that amount. Now you see, credit is more, debit is less. So difference will be goodwill. Goodwill account debit 12,000 rupees. Goodwill account debit 12,000 rupees. Why we are paying goodwill, sir? Why it is goodwill? Because assets and minus liabilities was of 180, but we are paying 192. 1,80,000 की एसेट्स थी लायबिलिटी लेस करने के बाद, और हम उसको बदले में दे रहे हैं 92, तो 12,000 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा दे रहे हैं. तो why are we paying 12,000 rupees more, dear? It means it is their goodwill. That's why goodwill account debit. Next entry is as usual, dear friends. Ajay Limited account debit. Ajay Limited account debit to, what is the percent of debenture? To 12% debenture account. And these debentures are also given at premium, to security premium. Whatever consideration credited, same will be debited, dear friends. 192. Now come working we have to do. 192. What is the value of one debenture? 100 rupees. And that debenture at a given of premium 20%. So 20% premium becomes 20 rupees. So divide by 120. 0. 12 1 ja, 12 6 ja. How many debenture are we giving? 1600. So 1600 into 100 and 1600 into 20. It becomes 1,60,000 and it becomes 32,000. So this is a little bit new point. Here purchase consideration was not given separately. Here it was given separately. So if credit is more, debit is less, difference will be goodwill. Now let us go for one more sum related to this topic only. Here these topics are very important. The same topic we did in issue of share also, and a 4-mark question 99.99% is going to come in your board exam. Now we will do illustration number 12. Reliance Limited, Reliance Company purchased assets of 5 lakh, and creditors of rupees 90,000 at an agreed price of, at an purchase consideration of 3,80,000. एसेट्स कितने की है? 5 लाख की है. लायबिलिटीज कितने की है? 90,000 की. लेट अस पास एंट्री डियर. सन्ड्री एसेट्स अकाउंट डेबिट, सन्ड्री एसेट्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू क्रेडिटर्स, what is the amount of assets? 5 lakh. What is the amount of liabilities? 90,000. तो डिफरेंस बिकम्स 410. एसेट्स 5 लाख की है, लायबिलिटीज 90,000 की है, तो हमने कितना पे करना है? 4,10,000. बट वी आर परचेजिंग फ्रॉम, नेम ऑफ द पार्टी इज नॉट गिवन हियर, तो वी विल बी यूजिंग द वर्ड वेंडर, टू वेंडर अकाउंट, एंड एट एन एग्रीड प्राइस ऑफ, what is the purchase price? 380. So here we are going to credit 380. So in this sum, if you see, our debit side is 5 lakh and credit is 470. So the difference will be transferred to capital reserve. Difference will be transferred to capital reserve. Why it is so? The reason is assets 5 lakh, liability 90. It means we were supposed to pay 4,10,000. हमने कितना रुपया देना था? 4,10,000 रुपए. What is our purchase price? 380. इसका मतलब हम ज्यादा दे रहे हैं, कम दे रहे हैं? We are paying less. 30,000 rupees we are paying less. It is our capital profit. It is our which profit? Capital profit. And capital profit are always transferred into capital reserve. I think you understood. And now we are giving debentures of 100 each. We are giving debenture of 100 each at a discount of 5%. Here debentures are issued at a discount. So simple, my dear friends. Next entry, vendor account debit, discount on debenture account debit because it is loss for us. To what we are giving? Debentures. To debentures account. What is the amount of vendor credited over here? 3,80,000. So we are debiting 380. Again we have to do working, sir. Without working, please don't go ahead. 5% cannot be taken of 3,80,000. 5% 3,80,000 का नहीं लिया जा सकता. तो how much money we have to pay? 380. Value of one debenture is 100. 5% is discount. So it means we are giving one debenture at 95. अगर प्रीमियम है तो जोड़ के डिवाइड करेंगे और डिस्काउंट है तो डिडक्ट करके डिवाइड करेंगे. तो इट कम्स माय डियर फ्रेंड 4,000 डिवेंचर्स. तो 4,000 डिवेंचर्स into 100 each and here 4,000 debenture into 5. This is discount and these are debentures for lakh rupees. So in previous sum it was goodwill and here it is capital reserve. I hope you understood. Let us do one more sum for the same topic, dear. The sums are very simple. As I told, the same topic we did in class 12th in issue of share also. Now one more sum is Raghav Limited, sum number 13. Raghav Limited, purchase from Krishna. Purchase from Krishna Limited. His business for a sum of rupees 15 lakh. 15 लाख रुपए का उसका बिजनेस खरीदा हमने. रुपीज 3 lakh पेड बाय चेक. 3 लाख रुपए हमने उसको किससे दे दिया? चेक के थ्रू दिया, बाय बैंक. तो इन हिज बिजनेस उसमें क्या क्या था हमारा? प्लांट एंड मशीनरी 4 lakh, बिल्डिंग अकाउंट 6 lakh, स्टॉक अकाउंट 3 lakh, डेटर्स 3 lakh अगेन. सर स्टॉक इज 5 lakh. हम उसकी एसेट्स और लायबिलिटी खरीद रहे हैं. अभी तक हमने जो सम किए थे उसमें सभी एसेट्स का टोटल इकट्ठा दिया हुआ था. यहाँ पे अलग अलग दिया हुआ है. तो प्लांट एंड मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट, बिल्डिंग अकाउंट डेबिट, स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट, डेटर अकाउंट डेबिट. टू क्रेडिटर and we are purchasing creditor of rupees 2 lakh. Creditor 2 लाख रुपए के हैं. To vendor, who is vendor over here? Krishna Limited. What are the amount of total assets, sir? 6 और 4 10 और 5 15 18 lakh. The total assets are of rupees 18 lakh. 2 lakh rupees liability. It means in vendor how much amount should come? 16 lakh आना चाहिए. लेकिन what is the purchase price? We are purchasing his business of 15 lakh. हमने उसका बिजनेस कितने का खरीदा है? 15 लाख का खरीदा है. तो our purchase price is, purchase consideration is 15 lakh. 16 लाख रुपए के बिजनेस के हम 15 लाख रुपए दे रहे हैं. My dear friends, is it profit or loss? I think you all are agree with me. It is profit. That's why we will transfer this profit into capital reserve 1 lakh rupees. Agree to all of you? Now another new point in this sum is 3 lakh rupees we are paying by check. 3 लाख रुपए हम नकद दे रहे हैं उसको. तो सर दे दो नकद. किसको दे रहे हैं? कृष्णा को. तो कृष्णा लिमिटेड अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. टू बैंक अकाउंट. हाउ मच मनी पेड इन कैश और बाय चेक? 3 lakh rupees. हाउ मच अमाउंट was supposed to pay? 15 lakh. How much already paid? 3 lakh. The remaining we are paying with the help of debenture. Krishna Limited account debit to debentures. Now, how the debentures are given, sir? Company is issuing 9% debenture of 100 each at par. कंपनी बदले में डिवेंचर दे रही है. एक डिवेंचर 100 रुपए का है और एट पार पर इशू किया जा रहा है. अगेन 15 लाख दे रहे थे हमने, 3 लाख ऑलरेडी दे दिए. हाउ मच मनी लेफ्ट? 12 lakh. तो अगेन वी हैव टू डू वर्किंग 12 lakh and the value of venture is 100. Here neither premium nor discount is there in the sum. That's why directly we are doing. So it comes, my dear friends, 12,000 debentures. So here 12,000 into 100, again it comes 12 lakh. So this was another sum with a little bit difference. So in this way we are supposed to do the numericals of purchase of debenture, issue of debenture other than cash. In one or two sum you may find out another new point. What is that new point? Here like 3 lakh paid in cash. Sometimes some may ask कि 3 lakh rupees paid by issuing a bill of exchange. कई बार सब में ये भी लिख देते हैं कि जो 3 लाख रुपए हैं वो हमने एक बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज इशू करके दिए हैं. तो व्हेन सम सेज दैट वी आर इशूइंग बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज, इन दैट केस हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ 2 बैंक व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू क्रेडिट? 2 बिल्स पेबल. ये हम यहाँ पर क्या क्रेडिट करके चलेंगे? 2 बिल्स पेबल क्रेडिट करके चलेंगे. It is given in the sum number 16. The same point is given in the sum number 16. What I am telling, sir? Y Limited is purchasing assets of rupees 2 lakh. Assets of rupees 2 lakh. These are assets. And some says that 20% of the amount paid by accepting a BP. हमने 20% पैसा किसके द्वारा दिया है? एक BP को एक्सेप्ट करके दिया है. तो so simple my dear friends, how to do? Let us see. We are purchasing assets. Here liabilities are not given. So assets account debit. To vendor is Z over here. So to Z Limited. What is the amount of assets? 2 lakh rupees. Liability is not there. What is the amount of BP given by us? 20%. It becomes 40. So BP can be credited here 40,000 rupees. It means how much money left which is to be paid in future? 1,60,000 rupees. आप चाहो तो इस एंट्री को अलग अलग भी पास कर सकते हो. एसेट्स अकाउंट टू जेड लिमिटेड 2 लाख से कर दो. नेक्स्ट एंट्री जेड लिमिटेड अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट 40,000. or otherwise you can combine this entry. Now next entry in this sum is we are issuing debenture of 1,000 each at a premium of 25%. Debenture of 1,000 each at a premium of 25%. So simple, sir. No new point is there now. Jets Limited account debit to debenture to security premium. How much amount is to be paid, dear friends? 1,60,000. Let us do the working now. 1,60,000. एक डिवेंचर की कीमत 1,000 रुपए है. 25% प्रीमियम है तो 25% इसका कितना हो गया? 250 रुपए. तो डिवाइड बाय 1250 and do the working now. So this was your today's topic, issue of debenture other than cash. Here other than cash means when we are purchasing any assets from the market to the vendor, instead of paying cash we are issuing our new debenture. हम उसको नकद पैसा देने की बजाय जो बिल्डिंग खरीदी है, लैंड खरीदी है, उसको बदले में हम अपने डिवेंचर दे देते हैं. तो दिस वाज योर टॉपिक, इशू डिवेंचर अदर देन कैश. थैंक यू.